Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. You can register to portal.azure.com and you can experience the Microsoft Cloud. To create the Windows Server 2022 VPS, I will go to virtual machines, create virtual machine, resource group is showing blank. I will create one resource group. I will give the name. Okay, I will give the virtual machine name here. I will select the region. Image I will select Windows Server 2022. Size I will keep the default one. I will give the username. I will set the password. I will confirm the password. RDP I will allow for my VPS. Next, I will create the new virtual hard disk. Okay, virtual disk has been created. Next, this would be my virtual network for the virtual machine. This would be local IP address and public IP would be assigned to my VPS. Next, 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 next. I will click on create. Deployment is in progress. Deployment completed here. I will go to resource. I will go to connect RDP. This is the public IP of my virtual machine. I can directly access through the virtual machine also, or else I can download the RDP file. I will go to download folder. I will double click on the downloaded RDB file, connect. I will give the username. I will provide the password. Yes. And here we have successfully logged into our newly created Windows Server 2022 virtual machine on the Azure cloud. I will open the Edge. I can browse here. This is my public IP address. And this is my local IP address for the server. And you can see the version and the build number of the server here. It is Windows Server 2022. I will show you the internet speed over here on the speedtest.net. So this is the speed test result. By this way you can simply you can create the Windows Server 2022 VPS on the Azure cloud with the simple steps. I hope you find this video helpful. I will see you next time. Thank you.